What if I told you that you could create professional AI influencer videos like these completely free? No subscriptions, no hidden costs, nothing. I'm about to show you the exact workflow I use to generate realistic AI influencer content without spending a single cent. And the best part? Your character stays perfectly consistent across every video. Let's dive in. First things first, we need reference content. Head to Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram and find videos you want your AI influencer to recreate. Here's what you're looking for. Clean, simple videos without crazy backgrounds or complex movements. Trust me, this makes a huge difference in your final results. Once you find your perfect video, download it. Now pay attention. This next part is critical. Pause the video on the very first frame and take a screenshot. This screenshot is your secret weapon for matching the exact camera angle and pose. Don't skip this step. Now we're heading to LM Arena to generate your influencer in that specific pose using Gemini Pro, completely free. Here's the setup. Click on Direct Chat Switch to Image Model. Select Gemini 3 Pro from the dropdown. Now upload 2 images. First, your base influencer image. This is the face you want to keep consistent. Second, that screenshot we just took from the reference video. Use this exact prompt. Image 1 is posing like image 2, same camera angle. The camera angle part is absolutely vital. It ensures your generated image perfectly matches the perspective of your video. Hit generate and boom, you've got your custom influencer image ready to go. This is where the magic happens. Go to WAN.video, that's WAN.video, and click on the avatar section, then character swap. Here's what you're uploading. Your original reference video from Pinterest or TikTok, the custom influencer image we just created. Now this is important. Click the settings and select the Pro model instead of standard. And here's the crazy part. Even with Pro selected, this currently costs 0 credits, completely free. The only catch? Since it's free, you might wait in a queue. Be patient. Good things come to those who wait, and here's the final result. I'm not gonna lie to you. For a free tool, this is incredibly impressive. Is it absolutely perfect? No. If you zoom in, you'll notice small differences compared to premium pay tools like Kling. But for $0, this is unbeatable. You can use this to create dance videos, fashion content, product demonstrations. The possibilities are endless. And your character stays consistent across every single video. There you have it. Professional AI influencer videos without spending a dime. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that subscribe button because I've got tons more AI content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.